As you can see, the system is armed away, and what we're going to do now is open up all the devices, and I'm going to start first by opening up the front door. The front door is set up for a delay mode, so when I open the door, we're not going to get instant sirens going off. We're going to get a beeping to remind us to disarm the system. So I'm going to go to the front door right now. Okay, the front door is open, and you can see it's asking us to enter a PIN code for us to disarm it. What we need to do is we need to allow it to go into an alarm. So on that front door, we have a 30-second entry time. So this is going to beep for 30 seconds before the sirens are going to go off. The last 10 seconds, it's going to be beeping quickly to remind you to hurry up and disarm it. And then you're going to hear the loud sirens. In alarm, disarm, just by entering the code. And as you can see, everything is clear now, and the front door is showing closed because I closed the front door. And what you're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and arm it, and then go ahead and trip all the other devices.